Hey, what is up guys? Today I'm going to give you a simple example of how you can add a smooth scroll or smooth transition to your page using one single line in CSS. The reason why I'm doing this video is because I see a lot of people messing with JavaScript to add this simple thing to their websites. Well, in some cases, you need some JavaScript to do it. For example, if you want to customize the speed or maybe the easing, or even you want it a kind of tilted way, so you're gonna need to deal with the X and Y axis and that kind of stuff. Okay, let's see what we got in here. So I have this minimal page filled with some text and fixed navbar. And you can see whenever I click on a link, it takes me down to it or up if it's on top of the current section. Well, let's take a look how we can do it. So I have this HTML file which has 4 divs and a navbar. Each div has an ID, and each link in the URL has an empty URL. So the way we jump from a section to another is by assigning the section's ID as a URL to the link. So we just need to type a hashtag, not a Facebook or Twitter hashtag. And to do that, let's say this is the home one, and the second one will be for the first section. Okay, this is gonna be the second, I guess, and this is the third. Okay, let's see if it works. Sales type, listen first, second. It really works, that's okay. But you can see that it doesn't have this smooth scroll. So to do that, I'm just gonna go back to my CSS file, and right on the top, I'm gonna set HTML scroll behavior to smooth. Okay, scroll behavior. Hit save. Let's take a look at now. There we go. Let's get the top. Okay, that's it guys. I didn't start from scratch because all the markup and styling or just basic stuff. You can see that we have nothing special, nothing advanced. It's crystal clear, just simple stuff. I'll add a CodePen demo in the description in case you need it. Okay, thanks for watching and see you later.